Okay, we have another one here at the WMR tent. This is a 2024 450. The customer complaint is that the bike is way too aggressive for him. The bike's got a lot of power. So we're going to put a special map on it. It's going to make it less aggressive and more manageable. He's already played with the traction control, but it's still a little too much for him. So we're going to make it right for him. So the best thing about having the Maptuner Nano at the track is that all you got to do is pull the seat off, connect the Maptuner Nano, download the map, put the seat back on, and go test again. The customer should love this map. Okay, after I downloaded our best-selling tune that makes the 450s less aggressive, we're going to close everything back up and take it to the track again and test it. Factory. And remember, if you need to know how to use it, how to connect it, how to download the software, go to WMR1.com, watch all the videos. We have everything on the website. And the Maptuner Nano and all the accessories and cables are readily available at WMR1.com. Thank you and have a great day.